Core rules of netiquette. Media information literacy. Rule number one, remember the human. When you communicate electronically, you just know what you are doing, just like remembering the golden rule, do unto others as you would have others do unto you. Rule number two, adhere to the same standards of behavior online that you follow in real life. While it can be argued that the standards of behavior may be different in the virtual world, they certainly should not be lower. You should do your best to act within the laws and ethical manners of the society whenever you inhabit or habit. Rule number three, know where you are in cyberspace. Depending on where you are in the virtual world, the same written communication can be acceptable in one area. Rule number four, respect others, people, time, and bandwidth. As a virtual world communicator, it is your responsibility to make sure that the time spent reading your words isn't wasted. Rule number five, make yourself look good online. Always check for spelling and grammar errors. Know what you are talking about and state it clearly. Be pleasant and polite. Thank you for watching.